Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Line Symmetry worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice finding the axis of symmetry for given shapes. Now we've had a particular lesson on this and we've explained the meaning of the axis of symmetry, and we've shown how to find out whether a shape has line symmetry or not. So if you're not sure what to do or you're confused with some of the terminology, on the next slide there is a direction, and if you follow that direction it tells you to click on a link, and the link will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. Now let's quickly look at what we're asked to do. For each of the following shapes, draw the axis of symmetry. So for the capital letter A, it means draw a line and position it in a place in such a way that it cuts the letter A in half, where each half is a mirror image of the other. That's really important. As well as cutting the letter in half, each half must be a mirror image of the other. Same for the letter B, the letter D, the letter E, the letter C, and the letter M. And we saw that the line that we draw is actually called an axis of symmetry. And if an axis of symmetry does exist, that means the object has line symmetry. So that's the difference. The object has line symmetry if you can draw an axis of symmetry, which divides the shape in half, where each half is a mirror image of the other. Draw all the axis of symmetry for each of the following shapes. Now we saw in the video that some shapes have more than one axis of symmetry, depending on the nature of the shape. So here we have the capital letter H, the capital letter X, here we have a rectangle, and here we have a pentagon. So for each of those shapes, we need to draw all the axes of symmetry. So again, if you're a little bit confused, on the next slide, a direction will tell you to click on a particular link. The link will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each of these examples. So basically the worksheet has introduced you to the idea of line symmetry, where for any object or shape, if we can draw an axis of symmetry that cuts the object in half, where each half is a mirror image of the other, then that shape has line symmetry.